Here's science news in simple words. Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Breaking Science channel. Research link in the description. Once upon a time, some brainiacs from different universities came together to study the magic of movies on our brains. They used fancy brain imaging to see how our brains change when we watch movies. And guess what? Watching movies makes our brains work differently than they do when we're just chilling or doing something boring like math homework. These brainiacs found out that watching movies is like taking a mini brain vacation. Our brains don't have to work as hard to process information, so we can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. It's kind of like when your mom makes your favorite food for dinner and you don't have to do anything except eat and be happy. But don't get too excited just yet. It turns out that our brains still have to do some work when we watch movies. The brain still needs to figure out the story, understand the characters, and process all the sights and sounds. But overall, it's still way easier than doing homework. In the second part of the study, the brainiacs get all technical and start talking about brain hierarchies in computation. Basically, they found out that watching movies changes the way our brains organize information. It's like the brain creates a special filing system just for movies, and everything is stored in a neat and tidy way. This helps us remember the story better, and we can even recall specific scenes and lines from the movie. The brainiacs also discovered that watching movies can be helpful for studying neuropsychiatric disorders in vulnerable populations like children. By studying the brain activity of people watching movies, they can learn more about how the brain works and what's happening in the brains of people with different disorders. It's like using a microscope to study tiny things that you can't see with your eyes. In conclusion, we now know that watching movies is more than just a fun pastime. It's like a mini vacation for our brains, giving them a break from the stress of everyday life. It also helps us remember the story better and provides new insights into the workings of the brain. Who knows, maybe in the future, we'll have movies specifically designed to help people with different disorders. In the meantime, let's all go watch a movie and give our brains a much-needed break. Thank you very much for watching. Support the channel with a like and share the news with your friends. See you soon.